What is the definition of a skill? It's a word that carries a multitude of meanings. Possessing a skill means having the ability to do something well. But being skilled means to make a difference. No matter how you use it, a skill has the power to drive growth both for organizations and individuals. And having the right skill set leads to competency. But skills are constantly evolving, and therefore, so should the way and pace at which organizations teach them. That begs the question, how can organizations stay ahead when it feels like they are always starting from behind? Enter Skillsoft Career Journeys. Skillsoft Career Journeys are a series of topic-specific skilling programs that enable employees to develop and master mission-critical competencies at scale year after year. They provide a curated path of all-inclusive learning strategies through a mix of live, on-demand, and guided hands-on experiences, all on one platform. Our 2 new career journeys will help you to expand leadership and manager as well as technology and developer skills across your business. Let's start with the first-time manager career journey. We know that new managers need to be taught the essential skills required to lead in today's hybrid world, and therefore are not always set up to successfully lead their teams. With the talent and job landscape evolving, organizations need to think differently about how they develop core skills. They need an outcome-driven approach to engage learners focused on building knowledge through immediate, practical application. Skillsoft's first-time manager career journey provides a clearly defined path to mastery of new manager business skills and leadership competencies, delivered in a flexible, interactive, and real-world applicable program that reflects how your managers actually work. Managers across your organization will take courses such as communication, critical thinking, team management, and leadership agility. And throughout this learning experience, they will select from a variety of curated resources to personalize their learning journey, interact with experts and peers to share ideas and best practices, and then apply that knowledge through projects and hands-on activities. The first-time manager career journey builds effective leaders across the enterprise, all while giving learners the flexibility to learn how they want to. Now let's talk about Skillsoft's cybersecurity career journey. The bar for cybersecurity is rising. The problem is, it's virtually impossible for a single organization to have complete visibility into all the evolving threats they must protect against, leading to a huge burden on security professionals. To combat this, they must widen their knowledge base to address expected and unexpected threats. Skillsoft's cybersecurity career journey is the only enterprise solution that offers a fully integrated learning environment to advance security competencies. It leverages expert content to increase information retention and on-the-job application of new skills. Through training and hands-on practice across the security team, build a fully guided experience that ensures learning happens in the most effective sequence and format for each skill. Skillsoft's cybersecurity career journey is the prescriptive path to certification and risk mitigation, built on a foundation you can trust. So, why choose Skillsoft Career Journeys? Career Journeys will allow your learners to move from doing to mastering technical, manager, business, and interpersonal skills through a multimodal learning program rich in content, technical capability, and group coaching that will deliver more value to both your learners and your learning leaders. It's time to transform today's modern workforce with the skills of tomorrow. Get started with Skillsoft Career Journeys.